Question, do y'all remember those pens that used to have the little clicks on the side that you could change it between blue, green, and black and red, I believe it was? Well, I have a fun product for you. Today we're going to be trying and testing out the Pen Pal. Now this is a makeup pen that kind of resembles the pen, like those pens, and this comes with eyeliner in black, a highlighter in champagne, a lip pencil in mauve, and a brow pencil in coffee. So we're going to be testing this out today. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see me try, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. And give this video a big thumbs up. You know it will certainly help out the channel. So let's get into our review today. Let's open this up. So this is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, lead-free, and easy to carry. And I have been seeing this everywhere. This is by the brand Alleyoop. And so whenever I got sent this in my BoxyCharm, I had to try it out. Now I know I haven't been doing the BoxyCharm unboxings, and there's a reason for that. Because I haven't, we've been in the middle of a lot of things like moving and work and everything like that, so I just haven't really done much of a whole lot of anything. But this is Make a Mauve, if you can see that, and it says right here, I like your, oh, let's see, I like your face, and it looks kind of cute. So it has a little arrow right here, and I've been trying to turn that, but I don't think that's what that's for. Okay, so first we're going to try the eyeliner. Ew. Okay, so whenever you retract it, you turn it like that, and it brings out the liner that you're using. So we're going to line our eyes. Okay, maybe. And it works, as you can see. It's not real pigmented, but I mean, in a pinch. It's not too bad. So like, I normally like my waterline like really black, but it's not too bad. Okay, so that was the dark brown. Now this is the brown. This says it's a eyebrow pencil. And I have pretty thick eyebrows anyway. But I can fill this front part in a little bit. Okay. I didn't bring any other tools because I just wanted to try this product without any influence from anything else. So, and that worked pretty good as well, if you can tell, kind of. Okay, so now let's try the lip liner. And we're just gonna wear this today. And so let's go ahead and line our lips. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but that's my son and my dog because they like to wrestle. And there is that, and that's kind of cute. Let's go ahead and fill that in. Okay, sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Okay. Not with the product. And this is the type of color that you can just leave like that and put some gloss or some chapstick over, and it actually don't look bad. Okay, now let's try this highlight. So we're just gonna highlight here. Just a little bit on our nose. Okay. Maybe a little bit on our brow bone. Up here. A little bit more out. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little highlighty. It's not like over crazy, but you can see it's doing something. But can you see that? Oh yeah. Okay, let's go a little bit on the forehead here. Oh yeah, and that's the perfect shade too, because it's not like boom in your face, but you can tell you have a little bit of something on. I like that. Okay, so here is our face using the pen pal. Now, my thoughts and opinions. I actually really like it. It is quick on the go. If I was just getting ready in the morning, I would definitely grab this if I had to get out the door real fast. It's very, very convenient to hold in your hand. It's not really hard to maneuver or anything. And it does exactly what it says it does. So this is definitely Stephanie approved. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.